Good morning, how you doing? Garage Door Mike, innovative garage door, 90 by 90 truck door, another truck door. If your box truck or semi truck needs a overhead small truck trailer door, we got them in stock. We got both types, Whiting or Whiting and Todco. We also carry fleetcraft. We do sections, locks, outside locks, inside locks. There's a video coming up we're going to show you. It's got an outside T-lock on one of these old Whittings, I think. I haven't posted that video yet, but we're going to post that soon. You'll be able to check that out. But if your truck door is bogging you down, breaking your driver's back, losing you money on the road because the truck door don't work right or it's hard to open, give us a call, 630-271-9343. We got these in stock now. We'll get them for you same day. Drop it off in the morning, pick it up in the afternoon. Get a new lock, keeper, new handle, new pull strap. I'll operate this really quick here. Get up this ladder. You get all new track. Excuse me, you do not get all new track. You get new wheels and hardware. Okay. We'll oil it all up. All new fixtures. This particular one, we gave this guy a bonus new pipe. The old pipe was bent to crap, and for whatever reason on these Todcos they give you, I'll show you, you can see that was one hand and holding a camera on the other. That's how nice that thing rolls. I'm going to come over here and show you what they use as a bearing on these things. Oh, there's the pipe too. So I don't know why, but they use this plastic cardboard type thing as a bearing, and almost every truck door we get on these things are either gone or destroyed. So throw that in the recycling bin. Yeah, you can see our garbage pile here. There's an old truck door roller. There's truck door parts, a little tiny clamp from a truck door, all kinds of junk over here. But anyway, I don't know why they do that, but we put in a regular bearing there and a new pipe. I think the scrap guy was here already. There's part of the old door. There's the rest of it. Anyway, that's it. You want to get your truck door repaired, replaced, we got sections, cables, rollers, hinges, top fixtures, bottom fixtures, springs, whatever you want for these truck trailers, man. We got them. New parts. We also have locks. If you need a lock, come get a lock. We got locks in stock. We got everything in stock now with these. Truck trailer door repair, innovative garage door, 630-271-9343. We're in glorious Downers Grove, Illinois, right on Ogden Avenue. You drop your truck off here, make sure it squeaks under the power line here, otherwise you'll have another repair on your hands. Yeah. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribing. Drop a comment, drop a like. Ask a question, we'll help you out any way we can. Thank you very much for everyone who subscribes, all my Virginia subscribers, all my New York subscribers, California, Illinois, all y'all. Thank you all. Without you, it don't happen. And also, most importantly, thank you for all our customers who come here and get truck trailer doors for us, for you, from us. So thank you. These guys are a moving company. We'll give them a shout out. Right here, M&B Moving in Hampshire. Okay, LLC. There's no phone number here, so look these guys up and give them a call if you're in the Hampshire area for moving. These guys are the stuff, man. Thank you very much for the video. Thank you for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our box truck video.